There we go. Merry Christmas 2013.
Merry Christmas. Yummy. Candy. Favorite season. I just dropped my candy. Would you stop doing that, candy? Can I eat one of those? I love it. I didn't know toothbrush.
You got a new toothbrush?
Oh no.
Honey, yeah, leave that closed. Yeah.
I'm gonna know this stuff. Can I open this, Mom? Do I do it?
No, I don't think we should open the candy. Okay.
Okay. I show them mine. Should I eat this, Mommy? What is this? An apron? A cooking apron. Mom, can you open this up?
There's a frog on it.
Can you open this up, Mom?
We'll leave it closed for
But
now.
I didn't eat some of it.
Ask your dad.
Can I eat some of this stuff?
Well, Leighton had a little bit so hard.
Dad, here. Can you throw this in the garbage? I didn't know. See, I know it's in the dip. Yeah. I opened the Bella. See, can you close it? Yeah. And I like this. And I use a soapbox. And the other one. Whoa! Spider-Man.
Excuse me.
Spider-Man what?
Mouthwash.
Mouthwash?
Mouthwash. Do I have anything else? Yep, I do. Yeah, what is it?
These are extra full this year.
Wallet? A Spider-Man wallet. Hey. What is this, Mommy?
I think that's for your hair.
I have Band-Aids. Can I put some of it?
Oh, no, honey, Eric.
Can I put
Elena.
some of it in my hair?
Not right now, babes.
Okay.
When you take a bath,
What is
okay?
this? What is this, Dad?
Yeah, we gotta get Daddy's stocking.
Those milk duds.
Milk duds.
Those are Daddy's favorite.
Dad, you don't even have one of
Why
mine.
don't you grab yours?
More
Aw,
gum.
thanks, Elena.
I got my gum in there.
Gotta get your stocking.
Oh. Is there anything else
For
for
Elena.
you? And one of them is Mommy's, and one of them is... We have a stocking for Daddy. Wait, let's
Junior
close this up.
mints.
Look at
Oh my. Mint meltaways.
Can I eat this, Dad?
What do we got here?
Can I eat this, Daddy?
A gift card to Starbucks.
Daddy, can I eat this?
Mmm.
Can I eat this?
Can you eat that? What is that from? No, ma'am. You may not have any more candy right now. Oh, look at that. Milk duds. And some kind of...
It's a
Crap.
butterfly. I got it from school.
You got this from school?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
How can I
Here we
open
go.
this? Just yeah. No.
Alright, Mommy. Your turn.
Oh dear.
No. No. Yep. I don't look at them.
Still my robot. Let's see
Can I get it out?
Yeah.
How- Mommy, I definitely take this off.
Hey, hey. Oh, wow. Lots of chocolate. Mint chocolate.
Yeah, these. I have some of these.
Yay.
Mommy.
We're not going to open it now, okay?
Okay.
And get your candy before it goes in that box right there.
Gotta get Blake in the picture, you know.
Give me
Hi, Blake. Hi,
For
puppy.
later. I'm not going to eat it now, okay?
Good boy.
We can save them for church. Okay?
Good boy.
Because you guys get to come into big church with us today. Oh, it's Christmas, okay?
Okay, but Mom, is it going to be raining out? Is it, Mom?
I don't think so. It's snowing though.
But I don't want to do that.